chef and friends.
Chef and friends?
Yeah.
Chef and friends? Okay.
No, chef and friends.
All right. Hi everyone, my name is Chef Kevin.
And I am Chef Sawyer.
And today we're going to be making you some
Pork chops.
pork chops from which farm? Food Ethos
Food Ethos Farm.
Food Ethos Farm. Our friends over there supplied us with some beautiful pork chops. And we are going to put these in the water bath and then the smoker, right Sawyer?
Yep.
So what do we got to do first?
First, we're going to put our salt and pepper on.
I'm going to let you do that. That's good there.
This is still a little cold meat. It's a little cold, these pork chops.
They just came out of the fridge, right?
Yeah.
Now some salt. There you go.
Not too salty or it'll be really salty.
That's correct. Do you remember what this is? Fennel seed.
Fennel seed. Grind that up.
We're going to grind that up manually. In our pestle and mortar.
Some more.
Do you want to grind this up or should I grind this up? You want to grind that up? Okay.
Huh. Why doesn't it just come like a powder itself?
It can, but that's not fun. Work it.
Do you want to do a few?
I could do a few.
Do you want to?
Should I?
Do you want to?
I could.
Do you want to?
Alright. So now you're going to sprinkle that evenly over top of the three surfaces there. Let's get the other side though. You do that, I'll do this. We're going to seal these up, right?
Yeah. And we can use this.
So, we're going to sous vide these to begin with. That's what this is. First we got to put these in a plastic bag, vacuum seal them, and it's going to lock in all these flavors.
My dad has done it tons of times.
Having trouble with this one.
My hands are getting cold.
There we go. Alright, so that's all three. We'll put this away.
Okay,
Now we're going to take this. What is this? Do you know what this is?
No.
This is apple cider vinegar from our friends over at Dead Horse Cider. Okay, you want to hold that open for me? I'm going to pour a little bit in there. Not much.
Not much.
You can do another one?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah? You want to do it? Okay, not too much though.
Okay.
A little more. That's good. Perfect. You want to do one more?
One more.
That's good. Perfectly done.
Is that like juice?
Cap that. It's cider vinegar. It's apples from here in Manitoba.
Ooh, it's like apple juice?
Sort of.
Sort of. It looks like it.
You wouldn't want to drink that though. It's very acid. Okay, this is olive oil. Alright, so we're back. We took these out of the fridge. They were sitting in there for how long?
For
2 hours?
hours.
2 hours. Alright, and this is our sous vide. So we're cooking it under pressure in here, and we're putting this to 100 and what? 40
40.
degrees? Degrees?
Yeah.
Fahrenheit.
So let's put this in.
Nice. 1, 2, three. Alright, let those sink. They should stay at the bottom. If they don't stay at the bottom, we didn't seal those things good and we'd have to do it again. But it looks like they're all good right now. And so these are going to sit in here for 1 hour. at 140 degrees. Then we're gonna take them out, cut them open, and put them on our pit boss, or how do you say that? Pit hoss? Pit boss smoker, and we're gonna smoke those for a couple of hours there, and we'll be ready for supper, right?
Pit boss, yeah.
Pit boss.
All the spices are getting out.
And we're gonna serve it with an apple chutney. Alright, now we're going to make the chutney to top on top of our pork. So we got a little bit of butter here. Get it going in the pan. Melt that. While that's going, we're going to dice up an onion. One small yellow one, about yay big. Okay, so the butter is ready. Throw that in there. Alright, onions are cooking in the butter. I'm going to chop up my apple. One nice apple. Alright, we let that cook down a bit. Now we're going to add 2 dried figs that we chopped up. You don't need to use figs if you can't find figs. Cranberries, or fine, raisins, whatever you want, with about a 1/4 cup brown sugar. Give that a stir around. Alright, so my assistant decided to, or I shouldn't say assistant, my boss came back to give us a hand. Friend, daughter, whatever. And she's going to add the pepper, and I'm going to add the salt. Watch your hand. Mine's good. Looks good. That's about a tablespoon of garlic powder. Sprinkle that in there. And a little bit less than that of ginger, about half a teaspoon. So I'll tell you when. That's good. That's good there. Perfect. And another half teaspoon of chipotle peppers. That's lots. It's hot. Spicy. That's the Sawyer. It's spicy. How many bloops of this do you think you can put in there? This is that apple cider vinegar again.
10.
Smell it. You like vinegar? We're a vinegar family. No, we're gonna do about 4 bloops. 4 bloops.
5.
5? Okay.
I have extra.
So our chutney's done. It's gonna look like that. Chutney's done, so we're gonna move this aside. We're gonna boil some water and we're gonna get some potatoes going because we're gonna cream some and mash some potatoes. The pork chop's gonna sit on that and we're gonna top this on that. You alright? So let's swap this out. Put it on full power there.
Full power?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one's full power again?
2 rosettes. Fingers out because we're cutting, right? Okay, so we're just gonna chop up these rosettes just so they boil quicker. Okay, we're gonna boil those.
I really want to touch the water.
And we'll see you in a bit. Okay, alright, so our sous vide back there, let them see it, Sawyer, back up. That's done. That's been going for an hour. So we're gonna stop that, pull those out. We're gonna open them up. Alright, so we've removed these from the sous vide water. They were in there for an hour, and now we're going to put them on the pit boss smoker at 275 degrees. Alright, time for the mashed potatoes. So we're going to add salt, pepper, about a 1/4 cup of butter, and, I don't know, splash of this Blumenfeld whole milk. And then we're just going to give that a whole mash, peels on and all. I know, some people don't like peels and whatever. I'm not one of those people. Boom, done, simple. Now we're just waiting for the pork, and then we're gonna lay the pork on this with the chutney, and you got dinner. Alright, so we're done. The pork is off the grill, and we're ready to cut it up and plate this. Alright, so I'm going to cut this and start going. Sawyer's kind of going to describe as we go into what we are doing. So Sawyer, can you tell everybody what is going on right now?
We're going to be cutting up our meat, and then I'm just playing with this cucumber.
No, that's pickled mustard.
Oh, pickled mustard.
Pickled mustard seeds. All right, so we're gonna finish this off with some micro mustard. You wanna do some?
That's micro mustard?
Mm-hmm. Good plan. Neat, right? They're a little peppery. I'm gonna put a few more of these mustard seeds right on top. And we're done. All right. So, voila, as Sawyer would say. All right, are we done?
Yep.
Okay. What do you say when we're done?
Voila.
Voila! Smoked sous vide pork chop from Food Ethos Farm with mashed creamy mash and an apple fig chutney, pickled mustard seeds, and radish micros. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching.
Have a good day.
And how you usually finish it? Finish it off, Sawyer. Take it home.
Bye everyone. And don't forget to subscribe down below for more family videos. Bye. Have a good day. Bye.
Okay, cut it out now. Okay.